Ever wondered why we yawn? Is it just because we're tired or bored? Actually, scientists suggest that yawning might help cool down our brains. When we're feeling sluggish, our brain temperature rises, and a good yawn brings in fresh oxygen, making us feel more alert. And what about those contagious yawns? They're not just a funny quirk, they're linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain instinctively mirrors that action. It's like a little social connection happening right there. So, did you yawn while listening to this? It's hard not to. Comment below.